Just a very quick video. I've just fitted a RamAir gauze panel filter. I've had it in for about a week now. I can't hear no noticeable intake noise difference. If anything, it feels slightly better on pickup, but very marginal. But I am about to book the car in at Motec Performance in Milton Keynes to have the Dinan intake pipe, which has the muffler delete on it. So I'm hoping that will free up a bit of noise, and I'm only after the OEM Plus look, so I'm hoping that should work. If you've had the pipe fitted, leave a comment, let me know if it's worth it. I'm not sure, but I don't like cold air intakes because of the amount of hot air that comes into the engine, hence why I went for a panel filter. I believe the panel filter will do more, but we shall see. But I'm not going after big power, I'm just like I say OEM Plus. So after the intake pipe, the only other major things to do is a GPF filter back exhaust system, and probably the eye-back lowering springs just to lower it down a touch, because it does sit a little bit like a 4x4. So yeah, I'm just going out for a drive. Is it Monday or Tuesday? I think it's Tuesday today. So that's it, guys. Speak to you later. Bye.